Carryboy Motorhome RV Smart System. In every Carryboy Motorhome, we will provide our customers with a tablet. Our customers will be able to purchase a prepaid SIM card or a monthly SIM card to use with the tablet. We will be providing a router inside of the Carryboy Motorhome. To put in the SIM card, gently press on the pin, and the SIM card plate would slide out, and place your SIM card into the SIM card plate. The position of the router can be adjusted. It is possible for a Carryboy Motorhome to fix the router in the interior of the control panel, or we could have the routers to be put into a storage system under the control panel. Let us show how to use the RV Smart System. First of all, once the SIM card has been put into the router, please connect into the Wi-Fi system. The Wi-Fi username would be Motorhome57Demo, and continuing by putting in the password, which would be Home2025. Once the connection is done, press the Home button and return to the home screen. In the tablet, we would have downloaded a Carryboy application, which is an internal application. On the first screen will be the power screen. The power screen would have a thorough detail of the Carryboy Motorhome. On the left-hand panel, the first is the car charge. Currently, the car charge is at 0 due to the motorhome engine is currently not on. And the second section is the solar cell charging. The motorhome is currently parked in a sheltered area. Hence, the solar cell is not charging. And the third one is the AC charging. Currently, the motorhome itself is plugged in with the AC charging. The amount of electricity is shown. And the second panel is the amount of percentage the battery is at. And the third panel is a total use of DC, which is the total use of electrical appliances. And the second screen would be water. On the first panel is the indicator that tells us the amount of water storage we have left. And on the other panel would be the normal wastewater storage. The calculation will be calculated by liters. Currently, we have a total of 60 liters in the motorhome. And currently, we do not have normal wastewater storage. And that is the display panels in the water screen. And these are the display panels for both power and water. And next would be the control panels in the RV Smart System. As you can see on the screen, the highlighted ones are the ones that is currently turned off. The first control panel would be controlling the main lights in the interior of the motorhome. And once it's turned on, the highlighted panels will turn white, which we can also adjust the amount of lightings on the control panel. We can do so easily by sliding on the buttons. Second button on the control panel is the ambient light. As you can see, when it turns white, which means the control panel has been turned on. And the third control panel will be the light in the bathroom. And the next one will be the lights at the entrance, followed by a control panel for the water pump, which the one on the side turns on the water heater. And next would be the control panel for the refrigerator. And the next control panel would be for the adjustable seats. We would have to press down on the button for it to work. The one on the left would be for the seats to move forward, and the one on the right would be for the seats to move backwards. And by scrolling downwards, we have a control panel for the inverters. The inverters are for the electrical sockets that runs on 220 volts of electricity. And the last control panel is to turn on the microwave. By using the online RV Smart System, the manual systems in the control panel in the interior of the Carryboy Motorhome can also be used at the same time. But whenever it is used, it will be highlighted in the RV Smart System. As you can see on the screen, we have turned off the lights manually, and it has shown in the RV Smart System by highlighting on the control panels.